Hello student, today we are going to start some multiple choice question MCQ and also its answer on production technology under mechanical engineering Module 11. All these MCQ are very important for competitive exam. Question number 1. The recrystallization temperature of steel is 1 at which new spherical structure of material first begin to form from the old deformed one. The recrystallization temperature of steel is, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C, 800 degrees centigrade. Question number 2. The hot working of metals is carried out. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C, above the recrystallization temperature. Question number 3. Structural section such as rails, angle, I-section beam are made by, there are 4 options. Correct answer is A, hot rolling. Question number 4. Which of the following method can be used for manufacturing 2-meter long seamless metallic tubes? There are 4 options. Correct answer is D, extrusion and rolling. Question number 5. The increase in hardness due to cold working, is called, there are 4 options. Correct answer is B, work hardening. Question number 6. Cold working of metal increases. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D, all of this. That means cold working of metal increases due to tensile strength, due to yield strength, increase in yield strength, due to increase in hardness. So correct answer is all of this. Question number 7. Metal patterns are used for, there are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Metal patterns are used for large scale production of castings. Question number 8. Aluminium is the best material for making pattern because it is, there are 4 options. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Aluminium pattern used for its light weight, easy to work, corrosion resistance. So correct answer is all of the above. Question number 9. A taper provided on the pattern for its easy and clean withdrawal tola from the mold is known as. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Draft allowance. Draft allowance. Question number 10. A pattern maker's sinkage rules, that means sinkage scale, considers. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Only sinkage allowance. Question number 11. Cast iron and steel pipe are manufactured by. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Centrifugal casting. Centrifugal casting. Question number 12. The sand used for making boards is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Oil sand. Question number 13. Giant sand is a mixture of. For molding, giant sand is a mixture of. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. 70% sand and 30% clay. Question number 14. Loam sand for molding is a mixture of. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. 50% sand and 50% clay. Question number 15. The operation of cutting a cylindrical hole in a sheet of metal by the punch and die is called. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Punching. Question number 16. The most preferred process for casting gas turbine blade is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Cell molding. Question number 17. The operation of cutting of a flat sheet to the desired shape is called. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Blanking. Question number 18. The consumable electrode is used in. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Mech arc welding. Question number 19. In thick arc welding, the welding zone is shaded by an atmosphere of. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Either A or B. In thick arc welding, welding zone is shaded by an atmosphere of helium gas or argon gas. So correct answer is C, either A or B. Question number 20. Thermite. Thermite used in thermite welding is a mixture of, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C, iron oxide and aluminium. Iron oxide and aluminium.